Good morning, everyone. I have a confession to make. I like big books. So what we're going to be doing today is we're going to focus on reading some classics. If you go to the link you see on your screen, irisreading.com/classics, you will find a PDF containing a number of different passages from a variety of classics that I think you'll find enjoyable. But we're going to use them for some of the speed reading exercises that I want you to do today. And the first thing, and most importantly, is that you measure your reading speed. You'll notice on each one of these passages, there are numbers on the right-hand side. So just read for a minute, figure out what your speed is, go at a comfortable rate so you can understand the material well. And once you know that number, I want you to gamify the process. What I mean by that is, let's say you read and you're going at about an average pace, which is about 200 words per minute. And you go through one passage and then you try the next passage from another classic book. And now that you know your reading speed, you're a little more conscious of the fact that you're going at a certain rate. You might try to play a little game out of it and see if you can beat your score. So if I'm reading at 200, next time around, I might try to go just a little bit faster. And this is key because if you force yourself to go just a little bit faster, one of the things you'll find is that you automatically improve your focus by going a little bit faster. So if you can gamify the idea of reading, it can help your reading speed. So again, go to the link you see on your screen, irisreading.com/classics. And I'm curious to know what your reading speed was. So there's a variety of different books on that PDF document. So when you enter your speed in the comments below, let us know what the speed was and then what kind of book you were reading. What passage were you reading? Because of course, some of these passages are going to be harder, so you can expect your reading speed to fluctuate. But generally speaking, over time, if you can keep track of these things, there's this common quote, they say, what gets measured gets managed. So try that out, see if you can start improving your speed in that kind of a manner by reading just a little bit faster. One other thing, if you do happen to print those documents out, I would highly recommend using your hand, your finger, or pen as a guide. And that's simply because your eyes are naturally attracted to motion. That'll help you get a little better focus. And what I hope ultimately is that after you go through some of these passages, you might find some classic. There's a reason why they are classics, right? You might find one that you really love and start reading that book. So let me know how it goes in the comments below. And if you have any questions, let us know. Take care.